Convention. Eric is someone that I value every single word that comes out from his mouth.
Apprenticeship will never go out of style.
Oh my god. Hi guys, welcome back again to the vlog. My name is Hilda Edeki, and if you're new here, guys, come on. Do I have to always say this? Why are you new here? Why are you new here? Please do not make it your last. Ensure to like, comment, subscribe. That being said, we are going for an event. This event is called Beyond Conversations. Beyond Conversations. I really have been looking forward to this event. It's hosted by Eric Agogo. Eric. Eric Shah. I'm so sorry for bastardizing the name. I'm in a hurry, so I'm going to be blabbing a lot. Blabbing. I'm going to be blabbing a lot. Blabbing. Okay. So I'm going to be vlogging a lot at this event, but I'm also going to be paying a lot of attention because Eric is someone that I value every single word that comes out from his mouth. Yes. So my ride is actually outside. I'm really late. See you guys. You know, I would usually not do a voiceover, but this vlog actually deserves one. Let's talk real quick about how Lagosians are so much. People that attended this event were a lot. Oh my god. Yeah, we arrived at the venue and I met my beautiful friend Sandra. Sandra was taking me nice videos. She really knows my angle. It was really hard to get a good seat. Say hi to Sandra real quick. Convention. Beyond Convention. 2026. So we had a bit of some conversations, like the title of the event implies, Beyond Conversation, and we went out for a little break to take in the environment, to socialize. They really emphasize on socializing with the person next to you. So while we were out here taking videos and having some fun, this beautiful lady, I think her name is Kosi Saw. She's a red carpet host. Just check out a glimpse of her personality.
Yeah, we don't do that here. We don't do that. Bye.
He's a thought leader. He's a motivated thinker. He's a coach. He does anything. He pays attention to his habit. He was educator. He's a gift to mankind. He's a gift to you and I. If your hands are not busy.
A quick question about creativity and maybe business generally.
For a young person who is without talent, skill, nothing like media creativity, photography, person, how does such a person become someone?
Who asked this question? There is maybe slightly more work for you to do. Maybe, definitely, right? But it's just about how do I make something that I want to communicate, and that's always been the question.
Apprenticeship will never go out of style. Internship will never. As somebody who is a creative, I feel a lot of AI fatigue come. Work that I consider unsuccessful led me to this connection that was really unsuccessful. I don't know if that makes any sense.
Do we have one nation in the building? Oh, let's try. Shoemaker, sing together. We can snap our fingers as we do that.
I'd like you to say it with your mouth. Think about everything that happened that brought you to this moment right now. Say it out, record it, and then write it down from your video. Right? What did you feel? What did you feel like when you felt like it wasn't going to be you when it became big again? All the feelings that you experienced. Write it down. That is your master class on how to.
Some of us are creating type of content that the algorithm does not like.
It's no multi-billion-dollar industry that can ever be less chance. Ever. Just mind blowing. People have gotten invitations to speak at really prestigious places just because of a YouTube video that they posted that didn't have the 300 views. But the person that I saw it.
This is a great day for the platform.